So we're here with at Club Dominican Day here in the city of Cleveland. We're here with Karen and Shoghi Mclean. A lot of people know Dominican Republic, you know, the Independence Day is in February, but this is a very special day. This is something called Restauración Day. Can you tell us what that's all about?
Well, we have a unique circumstance for Dominicans. We had one of our early presidents who decided to give back the country to Spain, so we actually had to fight a second independence war, and the 16th of August was it's called El Día de la Restauración, which means it was the first battle for that. So in charge of that was a General Luperón, who took care of the battle, and basically we had a second Independence Day. In Dominican Republic, the 16th of August, besides being a national holiday, it's also the day where the president takes the presidency after elections. So yesterday we had the coincidence of being at City Hall and being able to, as a kickoff for the festival, coincide with the 16th of August, which is our Restauración Day, and have the pride and honor to have our Dominican flag waving on City Hall.
You know, I've watched your community grow over the last few years, get organized. This is your second annual event here. Karen, can you tell us a little about the event?
Oh my gosh, we're so excited because the overcome for the first festival was amazing. So we're expecting double. We have more experience, we know what to do, we know where to go, and if you don't have plans for today, this is the place to be, because it's going to be, you can see the police of Cleveland is sponsoring and also supporting us. That means that we're going just to be a safe event for the whole family. Bring your whole family, bring your neighbors. It is going to be so much fun. Hispanic food with food trucks, I'm sorry. We're going just to have water, soft drinks for the kids. And for the first time, we're going just to have a beer garden, a sponsor for a restaurant.
It's a hot day. That sounds good.
An enclosure area for safety purposes, but for sure, this is the place to be today. We're blessed with this sunny day. It's splendid. It is breezy. So come over to join us.
And we're going to have multiple folkloric events. So besides our own Club Dominicano folklore group, we're going to have multiple presentations. And the culmination of the festival, we're going to have two very known music groups playing Latin and Dominican music. So we look forward to having people here.
In terms of celebrations, both with the Dominican community here in Dominican Republic, is this an equal celebration to Independence Day, or bigger, or about the same?
Well, we don't have the military parade that we have back home, but there's military parades, and there's big fairs and big festivals also. So we celebrate 27th of February as a culmination for our Carnival month this February, and Restauración in August is another big celebration that we have.
But our Independence Day, which is February, is a big deal for us. That was the day that we got sovereign and independent from Haiti, that they were 22 years in our country. So for us, we celebrate every year that, and our flag says Lord, country, and freedom, and we have the Bible in the center of our flag. I think it's the only country that has that.
Countries that have the Bible.
Yes.
Well, we're gonna see that flag today, but we're gonna see it next week also, One World Day.
Yes.
You'll be in the Parade of Flags, and then
looking forward to it.
Home of the future Dominican Republic Garden. So
we are inviting people to join our communities and non-profit, and we are the ones who put things together. People that are migrating to Cleveland, they don't know where to go, they don't know for housing, school, jobs, and we put that together also. This is one of the services that we provide voluntarily.
Well, thank you, Karen and Shoghi. Let's get back to the party, the celebration.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dan.